Chapter 3, Part 2. Here you can see a polyester material, and this is a shawl made up of acrylic and a scarf also made up of acrylic. So in this video, let us see two more synthetic fibers, that is polyester and acrylic. Let's continue chapter 3, and this is part 2. Next synthetic fiber is polyester and acrylic. You can see over here a polyester material. The word polyester is made up of two words. First word is poly plus ester. Ester means many repeating units of a chemical substance called ester. Ester are the chemicals which give fruits their smell. What are the uses of this polyester? Fabric making, dress materials like shirts, etc. And there are different types of polyester. First, let us study about terylene. Terylene is a fiber that can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. And second one is PET, P-E-T, abbreviation. The full form is polyethylene terephthalate. This is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used in making bottles and utensils, films, wires, and many useful products. You would have seen in your homes, your mothers may be storing sugar and rice in these type of jars, smaller or larger than this. These are PET jars. So this is used for storage. Other fabrics made up of polyester are polycot. It is a blend, that is mixture of polyester plus cotton. Second one is polywool. It is a mixture of polyester plus wool. Terrycot, terylene plus cotton. So all these are consist of polyester information. Now let us see about the acrylic. The shawl and the scarf, which is made up of acrylic. Acrylic fibers have properties that is similar to wool. Acrylic is used to make sweaters, shawls, blankets, etc. Do you know the reason why acrylic woolen wear we call nowadays acrylic wear for winter? It is famous nowadays and it's more popular because acrylic is cheaper than wool. It is available in variety of colors and patterns. See the notes of these two topics, polyester and acrylic. Take screenshot for your future reference. Now, some more information about synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable. Therefore, they are more popular than natural fibers. But one thing you should be very cautious about the synthetic fibers. They melt on heating, and this is the biggest disadvantage of synthetic fibers. If the clothes made of synthetic fiber catch fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric melts and sticks to the body of the person wearing it. Therefore, we should not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or laboratory. This we are going to see in the properties of the synthetic fiber by an activity. Next one. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. Now topic 3.3, characteristics of synthetic fibers. Let's do an activity. You can see 2 glasses of containing water of equal quantity, and here 2 pieces of handkerchief, that is one, this is made up of polyester, that is synthetic fiber, and this is made up of cotton, a natural fiber. We are going to do an interesting activity with these 2 handkerchiefs. First, I am going to soak the synthetic material into the first glass of water. Now the second handkerchief, I am going to soak it in the second glass of water. And going to leave for 5 minutes. Let us see what happens after 5 minutes. 5 minutes got over. Now I am going to take out one by one these handkerchiefs. First I am taking the synthetic handkerchief out and taking it for drying under the sun. Now I am taking out the cotton handkerchief and taking out for drying under the sunlight. Now you can compare the quantity of water left in each glass. You can see the glass in which the synthetic handkerchief was soaked has absorbed less water, and see the cotton handkerchief have absorbed more water. You can see less amount of water left in the glass in which cotton handkerchief was soaked. So this proves that synthetic fiber absorbs less water than that of natural fibers. A cotton material absorbs more water than that of synthetic material. So, the synthetic material dries up quickly also because it absorbs less water. So, it takes lesser time to get the water evaporated. So, that is why during rainy season, synthetic clothes and umbrella made up of synthetic cloth is more popular than that of cotton clothes. So, what are the characteristics of synthetic fibers? First one, synthetic fibers dry up quickly, they are durable, less expensive, readily available, easy to maintain, and absorb less water. The above mentioned unique characteristics possessed by synthetic fibers make them popular